So which one of these oils I would buy? I'm at Costco Business Center. There's really not a whole lot of shoppers, as you can see, and I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to take a look at olive oil to see what they have in stock, and I'll comment stuff you want to look for and stuff you want to stay away from. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Now, listen, I've thought about making a video exposing the dark side of the olive oil industry. There's definitely plenty of shady stuff going on, but truthfully, fear-mongering is not what this channel is about. I'm not here to scare you, I'm here to empower you. Okay, what do we see here? First one up, and just to be clear, I'm not bashing any brands or endorsing any brands, I'm simply educating. Nice. So right away, marketing claims: cholesterol-free, trans fat-free, sodium-free, sugar-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, all the good things we want. All of these are check, 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 6 check marks. Now, next thing. First of all, you see, it's not in a canned bottle. So that's right away a minus for me. So nay here. And extra light tasting olive oil. Light, when you see the word light, it means it was refined, and it should say this. So let's look for that. Okay, it says olive oil composed of refined olive oils and virgin olive oils. So not only it's refined from one oils, but it refined from all the leftovers. So that's right away a nay for me. Now packed in Italy with select olive oils from Greece, Italy, Portugal, Spain, and Tunisia. Am I pronouncing that right? That's right away. This part right away is a big fat nay. Next, we have Best Buy. So this is also a red flag. What you want to see instead, you want to see when it was packaged on. So would I buy this oil? No, goodbye. The next one is the same brand, and judging from the label, it just doesn't have light. So just say olive oil. Okay, so this is a combo. So it's an olive oil lacking extra virgin, so it's not the first press. It's not clear if it's cold press or what. But it has 15% extra virgin olive oil, so it's a combination. So some shady blend, if you ask me. Let's see what it says. Olive oil composed of refined olive oils and virgin olive oils. A big nay for me. Packed in multiple countries. God knows what. A big nay for me. Goodbye. Next one. This one I have to zoom out because the box reveals right away something you don't want. So it says refined olive oil, and so it's a mix of refined olive oil, and 15% extra virgin olive. Very similar to this brand. It's just a Costco brand. But let's see, maybe they say something else. Oops, excuse me. These are big packages. So ingredients, yes, refined olive oil, so then be open about it. Okay. They do have, okay, so contains oil from more than one of these countries. So they're being very vague here, so not clear, because God knows which countries are involved. So definitely nay for me. Next one. 3 branches, extra virgin olive oil, smooth and fruity. I like the name right away. So let's see what they have, what marketing claims they have. See, they have the oil, so right away we think it's healthy. They say American Heart Association certified. Okay, that's right away we think it's good. But now, let's see. So the fact that it's extra virgin, I like it. That's a big check mark for me. Ingredients, extra virgin olive oil, big check mark. I so far consider buying this oil. But then what do we see? We see all of these codes, God knows, country of origin info printed on the bottle. And that's, let me bring that up in a second. Is it printed on the bottle? I don't see that it's printed on the bottle. Maybe it's hidden somewhere. Pompeian, is that a country? No, that's not a country. Okay, so country, okay, I'm gonna keep looking, but then what do we see here? We see this check mark, American Heart Association certified. Heart check certification does not apply to serving suggestions. So basically, yes, you basically don't eat this to receive this. Don't really follow these recommendations to expect these results. So it is GMO, non-GMO project verified. So that's a good thing. And there's something printed here, but you know what? I would not buy this oil because it does not clearly say the country of origin. And whatever this is, I can't really read. Oh no, it does say. It says ARTN, so definitely more than several countries. So no, for me, I wouldn't buy this one. Next, is there hope in the store for me? Organic, extra virgin olive oil, cold extracted, okay. Organic, certified, okay. So far, I want to buy it, cold extracted. In the, okay, it's not in a glass bottle, but it's in sturdy plastic. Very good. So let's see. Fully traceable origin. I like it. There's some sort of certification. Sourced from European Union and extra European Union countries. Okay, fully traceable origin. Okay, so let's see. Can we trace the origin back based on the bottle? Okay, packed in Italy with selected oils from Portugal, Tunisia, Spain, Italy, and Greece. No hope. The store has no hope. I'm sorry, but no. So this is a deal breaker for me. I want, if it's fully traceable origin, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go online and try to trace it. Organic, made from select olive oil through Mediterranean region, produced accordingly to the strictest standards for authenticity, outstanding flavor, and nutrition value. This olive oil is excellent for cooking. Okay. So yeah, I have to, and again, this oil does not have when it was bottled at, so it has best before, which for me, it's another, maybe a deal breaker. So I want to go and trace this one. Okay, next on the shelf, we have the same brand as we encountered previously. Now this oil, the bottle is, I need to take it up. The bottle is dark, right? So it's not as light as before. Let's see, I need to put it down here. Extra virgin olive oil, check. Okay, imported, cold press, I like it. So far I'm considering buying it. Let's see the country of origin. So, well-balanced flavor dressing, extra virgin olive oil, packed in Italy with selective oils from Greece, Italy, Portugal. So no, goodbye. I would not buy it because multiple countries of origin. There is one hope left. What do you say? One hope left. Big bottle, a very good price. Spanish extra virgin olive oil. Okay, let's investigate this. 100% Spanish extra virgin olive oil. I wonder, does it mean country of origin or the name of the olives? So there's some certification, product of Spain. What is this label? Product certification. Okay, this is good. I like it so far. I like it. Ingredients, okay, extra virgin olive oil. Best before printed, best before, and the lot number printed. Okay, so it does not have the date it was bottled, but product of Spain. Okay, so out of all the oils, I would buy this one. I wouldn't walk empty-handed. Alrighty, let's summarize. Here's what you want to look for when buying real extra virgin olive oil that actually supports your health and healing. First, the label should clearly say extra virgin olive oil. That's the best processed form, meaning it was extracted without heat and chemicals. It is the first press and it retains the most nutrients and healing antioxidants. Second, check for single country of origin. If you see a blend like Italy, Spain, Greece, skip it. Mixed origin oils often mean lower quality and reduced accountability. One source, one country is what you want. Third, the packaging matters. Look for a dark glass bottle, ideally. This protects the oil from light, which degrades its healing compounds. If it's plastic, it should be sturdy, BPA-free, and opaque. Clear glass, that's a no. Fourth, find a bottle that shows a harvest date or bottling date, not just a best by date. Olive oil starts losing potency as soon as it's bottled. You want something fresh, ideally harvested within the last year. And finally, a bonus tip, if it's peppery, slightly bitter, gives you a little burn at the back of the throat, that's actually a good thing. That's the polyphenols in action. Those are the antioxidants doing their healing work. So I would buy one oil if I was in a pinch, but if I really had time, I would probably go shopping elsewhere with a bigger selection because none of these oils met all of my checkmark criteria for a perfect extra virgin olive oil. And what are those? I'll continue at home because shoppers are starting to look at me with curiosity.